name is Eva and I'm going to show you what I eat when I crave sweets. Do I go out and buy some chocolate or candy? Yes, I do. Well, not chocolate, but candy. Natural candy. Did you know that when you go raw vegan, you don't have to deprive yourself of anything at all? You can enjoy life more. You can enjoy it to the fullest and you won't feel guilty afterwards, like before. And that's the secret. This is why so many people don't want to change their habits. They think that going raw vegan equals deprivation, starvation, unhappy life, bitterness, and sickness. And that's why they don't want to do it. Nobody wants to do that. Nobody wants to deprive themselves of anything at all. Neither do I. The thing is that I recognized that we have the upside down perspective. So as soon as I changed my perspective, everything changed. I think that the roving lifestyle got nothing to do with deprivation, but it's got everything to do with inner freedom, inner peace. It's got everything to do with freeing yourself from your old addictions, limiting beliefs, and entering a completely new dimension of inner power, beauty. You have that certainty. You have that certainty that you are in alignment with everything that is. It's a beautiful feeling. It's a great feeling to be able to eat something without feeling guilty afterwards and without experiencing physical pain afterwards. You know, it's a beautiful feeling and everybody wants to have that. But it seems like not too many people are willing to jump in because they think it will hurt them. So I'm here to tell you, it will not hurt you. You'll free yourself of your old limitations and you will become totally unstoppable. Now, let's find out what I do when I crave sweets. I go out and I buy really beautiful candy. Beautiful candy? What are you talking about? This is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Fresh, ripe figs. And they taste so sweet. Forget about chocolate, forget candy, forget chocolate, forget everything else. This is the real deal. While eating figs, you will free yourself of constipation. It's very good against constipation. Also, it will strengthen your bones because it's full of calcium. It's good for your skin and it's got loads of other benefits. You can heal sexual weakness, for example, and you can lower cholesterol. It will help you lose weight. So what else are you waiting for? Go and get some figs and enjoy them. It's so simple. You know, we're so used to overcomplicating things that when somebody comes with a simple solution, they think, oh no, it's a con artist. This is not true. He's trying to sell something or he wants something from me. We become defensive and we're very scared because we're focused on what could go wrong instead of focusing on what's beautiful, what works for me. Find out what works for you because fruit definitely works for all of us, but we forgot all about it. We started eating cooked food and creating more and more chaos in this world. So I think it's time to change our paradigm and start enjoying life to the fullest. It's so beautiful. You know, when I eat those figs, I feel happy, I feel satisfied and very, very light. This is what I love about this roving lifestyle, is that after your meal, you can just jump up and go for a run. You don't feel full, you don't need a rest, you know, like after having a heavy cooked meal, you always lie down or you feel kind of lethargic. And here, it's exactly the other way around. You eat and you're ready to go, ready to work out, ready to have fun. And you never feel guilty afterwards. This is a completely different experience. Pain-free, happy, light, healthy, delicious. If you've been playing with the idea of going raw vegan, then this is the right time. If you've been waiting for a sign from the universe, this is it. This is your sign. Try a delicious fig. Get up in the morning and have a beautiful meal of figs. Give your body what it needs. Give yourself what you need, and you need to taste the sweetness of life every single day. It's so beautiful. Why deprive yourself of something like that? Why deprive yourself of something you deserve? And you deserve the best, remember? Enjoy your figs. I'm definitely going to enjoy them now. Have a wonderful day full of laughter, hugs, and sweet fruit. And remember to share your fruit with your friends. I'm sharing mine with you. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Mwah.